Hi, I'm Bryce Lee. I graduated from Cornell University in 2012, and I majored in political science and economics. After I graduated, I worked in India as a consultant for a year, and then I decided to come here to Korea to teach. Here in Korea, I've taught at Chungcheom International Academy for 2 years, where I was the AP English Literature teacher, film teacher, and also college counselor there. At Chungcheom, I oversee the admissions of many of my students to many of the top schools all around the world, including Yale, Stanford, Columbia, and even British universities like Oxford and Cambridge. Now that I'm here at SMT Academy, I focus on teaching SAT writing and reading, and also, of course, college consulting. In my SAT classes, I really emphasize a very straightforward and rigorous approach to the test that focuses on getting students to write in a correct way that gets them the highest score. In my college admissions, I really emphasize a very personalized approach. I make sure that they apply to the best schools that they're the best fit for, and also make sure that their applications are tailored to what the admissions officers want at those particular schools. I have a lot of experience in both of these areas, and I'm confident that I can help your student get to the college they want to.